Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and look what I found. So, some of you may know that I've been made redundant, so having been working for a month or so, which is great because my company let me take time off, still being paid for it. And so many spare time, so I decided to kind of just spring clean, tidy my apartment up, my bedroom, and see things I have collected over time. I'm telling you, there's so much stuff I collected in the past. I don't know how many years, and I just had to get rid of it. And I found this phone. I found a whole bunch of other stuff that I knew I had, and I kind of put them away. This is the Razer Phone 2, back in, I think it's 2018, give or take. I remember I had this, but I thought, I don't know what happened. I thought that I sold it, but it looks like I was tripping because here it is. I found it locked up somewhere, and I swear to God, I thought I sold it and got it out, and it still works fine. Let me just power it on. You can see here. Just put my password in, or PIN number, and here it is. And yeah, I was remembering this is. I remember, if I can remember correctly, this was purchased, like I said, 2018, but it was kind of like near the end of its life cycle. It was on sale, and I picked it up. But I didn't really use this phone too much, about 2 months in, because the next generation of phones are coming out. If I remember correctly, I got myself the OnePlus 7T, OnePlus 7T Pro, the McLaren edition, which came out a few months afterwards, and this kind of put and used this as a backup phone. And then I also got myself the Oppo X Time Zoom 10 around the same time as the OnePlus, and I was using that as those. I always tend to carry two phones, so I have those two phones, and this one slowly put it aside. I originally wanted to buy a gaming phone to start playing gaming, but I mean, back then, 2018, I wasn't really into mobile gaming. I was still not, and I can't put it away. And then I don't know, for some bizarre reason, I must have made up that I must have sold it. Found it still working. Yeah, this is it. I got this initially because I'm a fan of Razer Blade stuff. I always had a couple of their laptops, and this was pretty good. There are two really good speakers out there. You can see speaker grills. It also had that kind of, even before the Nubia phones, the Nubia Red Magic, this was kind of like the granddaddy, the daddy of them all, the square flat surface. If you think about it, if you just move the bezels up a bit more, you kind of got yourself almost like a Red Magic phone. This is powered by, if I remember correctly, it was a Snapdragon 845 that time. This is a 5.72 inch screen. It actually had a lot of pretty flagship features. For example, you had 1440p time, 2560 pixels. For the screen. This is 8 gigabytes of RAM, but the downside was 64 gigabytes of memory. I mean, at that time, 2018, 64 gig is kind of like the equivalent of 256 really today. It had a micro SD card you can actually take up to 2 terabytes. So think about it, this is what, and then of course you had the cool all glass background back, shame. You can see the fingerprints already. It glows up with the kind of lights. So technically speaking, this is actually the first of gaming phones before I got into Nubia, Red Magic, and even the Asus ROG phones, really. And like I said, the flat surface, square rounded edges. It's kind of like this must have inspired the Red Magic design as well. So yeah, it still works fine. It's using Android at the moment. It's updated to Android 9. I don't think it goes any beyond that. So yeah, it's still functioning. So look at that. It's still pretty cool. 120 hertz display. So it was, I think at that time it was 90 hertz was kind of coming in, and 120 hertz display was kind of still only a selected few phones had it. So that was pretty good. Yeah, so it came with a Android 8.1, if I remember correctly, Oreo, if that's the one, but only updated to 9.0 Pi, Android Pi. So yeah, Snapdragon 845, Adreno 630, wow, I mean, it still functions, it still looks pretty good, and I swear to God that I thought I sold it. So I thought I just wanted to make a video about Blast from the Past. I mean, anybody knows you haven't kind of tidied your bedroom or your house up, your home. You find so much stuff you forgot, or you just thought that you got rid of. Anyway, just for make a video for that. Let me know, did you ever have a Razer phone? And it was a shame because I remember there was Razer was actually announcing the Razer 3. Then it got cancelled. Do you remember there was a electronics show where they was doing a laptop, kind of like an Android laptop, where the trackpad, if you remember correctly, the laptop had a trackpad, and this will go into the trackpad. Sorry about the noise. Someone's doing some dishes in the kitchen. It goes into the trackpad, and this becomes the trackpad, and you plug it into the laptop, and then the laptop itself will have the screen displayed. I was actually waiting for that laptop to come out. Unfortunately, Razer shelved that along with the Razer 3. So who knows what would have happened if they carried on making this phone? But you know, I might have to put my SIM in and just use it for a couple of days, see how it goes. It still looks pretty good nick. Anyway, just like I said, just a quick video. Anyway, yeah, please like this video, subscribe, all that cool stuff. And till next time, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you know what. Please do stay safe. Goodbye.